Hi, I'm Ray, and last week I purchased this plant and I wasn't quite sure what it was, but with thanks to all your lovely comments we've worked out that it's a Canna lily, and that's really exciting because I've been looking at colour lilies and Canna lilies, and I posted a video on my colour lily started from seeds from the rhizomes, but I really look forward to growing this on, so I asked for some advice, and this has been soaking in a bucket of water, and the pot is quite heavy now as it was light as a feather. We've actually, you can see some water. It's actually drained in to the compost now, so that's a real benefit. But one of the comments was said about removing the old leaves, so I'm just going to remove some of these dead leaves. I'm not quite sure. I'm going to remove that one. I'll leave that one. Just remove these. So we're looking a bit bare now. We can see this. So it's looking a bit bare, but hopefully can recover. As we say, we took it out of the pot and it's nice and damp. So I've got a big pot. I'm going to transfer it into a bigger pot. So I've got a nice big pot and we're going to transfer it into this pot. And I've just got some compost. We're just going to place it inside, and we can put some more fresh compost all around the outside. There we go. So thank you very much for all the comments. So we've potted it all up nice, and we hope that it will now encourage more shoots, more leaves, and encourage some green growth. So what I'm going to do now is give it a drop of water, and I'm going to leave it in the greenhouse section here and see if it grows on. So thank you for everybody that commented on the name of my Canna lily, and also check out the video of me planting my colour lilies. We look forward to having some of these. They look really impressive when we've seen them in the gardens now. They're all out in full bloom. They look really nice. So thank you very much. Thank you for all your help. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more, and check out this video of the colour lilies. Cheers.